Today we travel with JPH and OZturners Managing Director Iain Hanson to visit Ian Townsend on his retail compost facility south of Stanthorpe on the Queensland-New South Wales border. Ian has been particularly focused on reducing the production time and maximising his compost returns after starting with an end loader and then purchasing a JPH CT360 compost turner from OZturners. The compost turner radically improved the quality and speed of the composting. As you can see, Ian's technique is to use the maximum windrow size and the slower turning speed to produce a larger amount of compost for the same investment of effort. The JPH CT360 compost turner's efficiency means that normally only a single pass is needed, as water can be added at the same time as turning, producing a richer and more finished product in as little as only 6 weeks. If you'd like to know more about any of the JPH equipment products or any of the other products sold by OZturners, visit ozturners.com.au or call 0411 695 335.